Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope so you all are fine. Today I have a question: x plus y is equal to 1, x square plus y square is equal to 2, and we have to find the value of x raised to the power 5 plus y raised to the power 5. And here we have four options. When we will find the value of x raised to the power 5 plus y raised to the power 5, then we will be able to choose any one option from here. So let's start. First of all, we will use our this given quantity, which is x plus y is equal to 1. So if we will take square of x plus y whole square, so it will be equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. So from here, if we want to find x square plus y square, so it will be equal to x square plus y square, which is equal to this positive 2xy will become negative when we will change its position from equal side. So it will be equal to x plus y whole square minus 2xy. And we know that x square plus y square is equal to 2. And x plus y whole square is equal to 1. 1 square is 1 minus 2xy. So 2 minus 1 is equal to minus 2xy, which is equal to 1 is equal to minus 2xy. Now if we will divide both sides with negative 2, so negative 1 divided by 2 will be equal to xy. Now if we will take square of this quantity, which is x square plus y square, and if we will take its whole square, so it will be equal to x raised to the power 4, because x square means x raised to the power 4, and 2xy means 2x square y square plus y square square mean y raised to the power 4. Similarly, we will find x raised to the power 4 plus y raised to the power 4. So it will be equal to this 2x square y square will become negative when we will change its position from equal side. So it will become x square plus y square and its whole square minus 2x square y square. So x square plus y square is equal to 2. So it will become 2 square minus 2. xy is minus 1 divided by 2. So minus 1 divided by 2. Here we have square, so we will take square. So 2 square is equal to 4 minus 2, negative 1. Negative into negative will become positive. So 1 square means 1 and 2 squares mean 4. So 2 1 times 2, 2 times 4. So from here we have 4 minus 1 divided by 2. So we will take LCM of 2 and 1. So 1 into 2 is 2, 2 into 1 is 1. So it will become 8 minus 1. So from here, x raised to the power 4 plus y raised to the power 4 is equal to 8 minus 1 is 7 divided by 2. If we multiply the quantity x plus y with x square plus y square, so it will be equal to x into x square will be x cube plus y into x square plus xy square and y cube. So from here we will get the value of x cube plus y cube, which will be equal to x plus y x square plus y square and negative xy square negative y x square. So it will be equal to x plus y x square plus y square. From here negative is common and xy is also common here. So it will be equal to y. Negative into negative will become positive. And this divided by this will be equal to x. And we know the values of x plus y, x square plus y square, xy, and it is also y plus x is same as x plus y. So we will substitute the values here and find the value of x cube plus y cube. So x plus y is equal to 1, x square plus y square is equal to 2, as we can see here, and xy is equal to minus 1 divided by 2. xy is minus 1 divided by 2, y plus x is 1. So it will be equal to 1 into 2 is 2. Negative into negative will become positive. So 1 times 1 divided by 2. So we'll take LCM of denominator. So 1 2 times 2 into 1 time. So 4 plus 1 is equal to, so from here x cube plus y cube is equal to 5 divided by 2. And our main target is to find the value of x raised to the power 5 plus y raised to the power 5. That's why we will find the values of x cube plus y cube, xy, which is used to find the values of x raised to the power 5 plus y raised to the power 5. Now if we multiply the quantity x square plus y square with x cube plus y cube, so we can say that x square and x cube will become x raised to the power 5 and y square and y cube will become y raised to the power 5. So from these two terms we get the value of x raised to the power 5 plus y raised to the power 5. So we will multiply here. X square into x cube will become x raised to the power 5 and x square will multiply with y cube, so it will become x square y cube and it will become y square x cube plus y square into y cube will become y raised to the power 5. So from here it will become x raised to the power 5 plus y raised to the power 5. From these two terms we will take common x square y square and we have this divided by this will be equal to y and this divided by this will be equal to x. So if we want to get the value of x raised to the power 5 plus y raised to the power 5, so we will change its position from equal side. So it will become x square plus y square, x cube plus y cube, and negative of x square y square can be written as xy square into y plus x can be written as x plus y. Now we will substitute the values here. X raised to the power 5 plus y raised to the power 5 is equal to x square plus y square is equal to 2 and x cube plus y cube is equal to 5 divided by 2 and xy is equal to minus 1 divided by 2, minus 1 divided by 2 and its square, and x plus y is equal to 1. So x raised to the power 5 plus y raised to the power 5 is equal to 2 and 2 will be cancelled out from here. So 5 minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 will be equal to positive 1. So it will become 1. 2 squares means 4 and 1 as it is. So it will be equal to 5 minus 1 divided by 4. So here we'll take LCM of denominator. So 1 4 times 4 and 4 1 times 4. So it will become 20 minus 1 which will be equal to 19 divided by 4. It's mean the value of x raised to the power 5 plus y raised to the power 5 is equal to 19 divided by 4. So from these 4 options we have D option is correct. Hope so you will like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.